People often ask about Jamaat, which is recognized as one of the major Muslim groups across the Indian subcontinent. India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh, their biggest annual gathering, if I'm not mistaken, usually takes place in Dhaka, Bangladesh. This group has both positive and negative aspects. On the bright side, they are among the most gentle and kind-hearted communities. They are peaceful, generous, and humble. I personally know many of them, and some used to visit me at home. Our conversations always showed me their warm nature. They practice many beautiful aspects of the Sunnah, such as keeping the beard, wearing shorter garments, using the siwak, praying regularly in the masjid, reading the Quran, and engaging in dhikr. These are admirable qualities. At the same time, they also hold on to practices that are questionable. Their famous 6 principles, for instance, rely heavily on weak and fabricated narrations. Their approach of isolating themselves in groups and traveling for set periods, 3 days, 10 days, 40 days, resembles forms of Sufism. They usually move from mosque to mosque, eating and sleeping together, visiting homes, knocking on doors and inviting Muslims to attend the masjid and remember Allah. Another practice is their ban after Fajr, where individuals share what they experienced the previous day. While some accounts are genuine, others are exaggerated and at times even untrue, though this is not the norm. In essence, they do much good, but there are clear shortcomings. They do not encourage jihad, nor do they establish serious academic circles of Islamic knowledge, believing that scholarly debates about halal and haram lead to division. As a result, you rarely find strong students of knowledge among them. Their leaders often narrate stories filled with unreliable hadiths, and they generally lack solid grounding in Sharia sciences. Still, as individuals, they are good people. If they visit you, welcome them, share food, engage in discussion, and gently guide them toward authentic Sunnah practices. However, accompanying them on their travels is not advisable except for those with strong knowledge of Islam. A well-grounded student of knowledge may go with them for a few days if invited, using that time to share correct teachings, emphasize following the Quran and Sunnah rather than blindly obeying leaders, and redirect them toward proper understanding. If that effort succeeds, it can bring great benefit by Allah's will.